Hello friends, so I have purchased Lenovo K8 Note from Amazon and it just got delivered. You can see this is the bill from Amazon. I've got it for 13,999. So this is the device. Looks good. It has come with a plastic cover. It looks sturdy. So it is that kind of cheap plastic cover which if the phone will fall down then it will definitely break. So I'd suggest getting a rubber based cover, transparent cover, that will work fine. Let's see what else do we get with the box. So this is the warranty card. The quick guide, manual. This is the pin for putting the SIM card jack. And we have a charger and a USB cable. So it is the normal USB cable which we get on all the devices. This is the charger. So as you can see, it has a 13.9 Full HD display, 13 megapixel and 5 megapixel dual and rear cameras, deca-core processor, Dolby Atmos audio. It has a fingerprint sensor and 4000 mAh battery with rapid charging. So now let me just peel off this screen cover and start the device. Pretty cool.